Since I last talked about this stock, the stock has actually become doubled, and not only it become doubled, also makes a breakout and it is trading at its lifetime high. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Magnite Inc, and I have talked this stock 1 month ago. You can probably go and check out my previous video, and the stock has indeed makes a big breakout with whatever data we have available on the screen. It is a clear breakout on the long-term chart or the weekly chart, as you can see on your screen, and it not only gives us the confidence of next trend, but it will tell us that the next big upside has already started and it's going to continue for a pretty long time, I would say. Now for that there are certain things what you need to know and understand about. Okay, so you have your major support at $20, because $20 was indeed your big resistance in the year 2015 2016, and it has visited the same resistance and make a breakout above that after 4 or 5 years. Okay, so you have your two major important support levels, but the first and the immediate support level will be $20 followed by $12 on the downside. But what we are going to discuss here is the next big trend. Now, how do we analyze the trend? So basically, if you draw some lines like this, you will see that the stock has been trading in a particular fashion. Okay, so there are some highs and there are some lows, but for the stock to recover and get back to the levels which it has been trading in the year 2015 and 16, it actually requires 1100%. Okay, so we are going to replicate technically in technical analysis if this kind of things happened and it is followed by a breakout, which is the case right now. So we are going to expect the same kind of return in the upcoming days. Okay, now because it has actually happened, we will go one step after another. We can actually think about a return which will lead this price, or the big target that we are looking at will be 200 or $226 on the upside. Okay, but remember that this target is for long term. There will be correction, there will be consolidation, there will be ups and downs in between. So if you have the belly to digest it, then it's a different thing. And now for the short term, you have your next immediate target at $41. So that's what you need to focus at. Okay, $41 or $42 will be your next big target. Now the stock could move, because we don't know how the stock is going to move, whether it will go sharply like this or it will come like this and again makes a correction, again went up, again it will go up and again comes down, or it will go like this in a slow and steady manner. We don't know about that, but what we do know that technically after this kind of big and sharp correction and then a rebound and most importantly the breakout, so if it holds above 20.75, this level must not be broken on the downside. That's the most important criteria. If 20.75 gone, then the chart or the trend will be broken. If it holds above that, then you will have your immediate target at $41 or $42, but the big trend which we are looking at is $226, or at near in between 200 and $250 on the upside. But remember that this is for the long term, which means you must hold this trend for at least 3 to 5 years or more. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.